You real pretty, pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife. We're back for another one. Today we're doing hair, and it's not really like doing hair. We're just like going to try to spruce up these braids. So I have some hair that I bought from Amazon, some curly pieces. I already have some curly pieces in here, but I'm just gonna make it very boho, and hopefully that spruces it up for me, you know, really gives it that little extra oomph. So I am going to be using this braiding foam to freshen up my braids, and also this. So got to be glued, do a little spray after, put this on, and then wrap it down. And I'm going to do that after I put all these curls, these curly pieces in my head, and then I'll show y'all what the after looks like. So this is the before. Hold on, let me get all the hair to the front. Before. And then we're going to show the after. Let's do it. Cause
every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs.
It's fuller. Like, the curls are there. They're popping. I have a little curl in the front. Yeah. I think it does look better. It kind of is. We're like leaning into the messiness of it and trying to make it cute messy and not just messy. So now I'm going to do this side. And just go row by row. Make sure I don't miss any of them.
On that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swerve. Hit me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP litty. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no run that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird.
Okay, I think I think we got boho. Okay, I think we accomplished bohemian braids. Amen. Okay, and then there's a better transition to the ends of the hair now. Now there's just like curls literally on every single braid. And I think it does better for the fact that my hair is old, but also it's just better overall, you know what I mean? Just better vibes. Like if I want to do a little side part, we've got curls everywhere. I like this better. This is gonna do me right. Now let's get into trying to get my hair to now this part. Child. The only thing we can do is mousse it down. Spray the sprays and then blow dry it. That's the only thing I found that actually worked if I ever wanted to get rid of flyaways and actually have my braids last. So we're gonna do that and I'm gonna come back with my final look. Hold on, gotta spread that out to be. Let's wrap it down and wait. Okay, I have blow dried my hair. It should be dry if it's not dry. Oh well. Ooh, look at that. She's fresh and so clean. Flyaways gone. Okay, and that's what I'm talking about. Let's fluff her back up. Okay, girlies, and that is my braid refresh video. That's my boho braid refresh video. That's how I do it. I feel like I do look like, you know what I'm saying, my braids look a little fresher. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, the comment section. You already know. And let me know how you feel about this refresh, because you know, not every day I need a new style, you know. So yeah, bye.